Alright guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're cleaning this whole house and it's going to be a 10-minute cleaning motivation for you guys, and I am real excited because today's video is a collab with my friend Morgan here on YouTube. You all have to go check out her channel. It is so motivating. She has tons of different videos over there on her channel. The quality of her videos, and she's a hard-working mama. She has a full-time job, a little one, and she does YouTube like girls trying to conquer the world, I'm pretty sure. And you all need to be a part of that process. You need to go watch that journey of her just taking over the world because she is amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and insert a clip from her. She has a little message for you all, tell you all a little bit about herself. And let's do the next.
Morgan here from Living with Morgan here on YouTube. I am so excited to be collaborating with Chelsea on today's video. We have some great cleaning motivation for you, and I hope that you enjoy. I love all of her cleaning motivation and all of her videos. Her voice is so calming. It's so relaxing to watch. But I'm another YouTuber. I do post videos 3 days a week all about cleaning motivation, motherhood, lifestyle, budget, meal prepping, cooking, anything you could think of. I probably have it on my channel. After you finish watching today's video, I would love if you could come over and visit my channel. You might find something you like, who knows? But I'm not going to ramble anymore. Let's get back to Chelsea's video.
Today I am starting in my bedroom, and do not let this fool you. I did not make this bed the second that I got out of it. I'm making it now, but I don't remember the time. I, however, do know that it was not right after I got out of it. It's been a couple of hours. But I do eventually, during the day, like to make my bed. I would be lying if I said I was one of those people who make the bed immediately when I get out of it. Most of the time, I just walk out of my bedroom and shut the door because nobody's going to see it. And nobody lives here but me and John. So sometimes, if I'm honest, I don't make the bed all day. And it's okay if you don't either. Totally fine. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself. We finally bought a stand-up fan so I could quit sitting a box fan on a chair, which you all will see in the next video. Moving right along to laundry, I actually find that I prefer to do my folding and hanging in my bedroom because that's the closest to the places that all of these items get put away. I find that when I have to do my laundry on my dining room table, and by have to, I mean when I just decide that's where I want to put it, I find that I can tend to put it off. And oddly enough, you would think that I wouldn't because it's on my dining room table and everyone can see it. But I'm just going to go back to the point that the only people that live here are me and John. So sometimes I just don't let it bother me, and it will just sit there and we'll pick clothes off of it. Are any of you all like this? I know that I cannot be the only one, and I just want to let you know that if you do that too, it's totally fine as long as it eventually gets put away, or even if it never gets put away and you just continue to pick off of that pile. Sometimes you just have those days, and that's fine. Now we are in the kitchen, and it is time to get this tidied up. Today, my kitchen was definitely not as dirty as it can normally get, which I was super thankful for. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure. Oh, 'cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself. If you do the same, it will be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
you gotta be afraid.
One of the things that I struggle getting motivation to clean most frequently is dishes. I have to wash everything by hand because I don't have a dishwasher. We live in an older home with older faucets, and while this faucet gets the job done, I definitely wanted one that was more functional, preferably with a detachable head. We had been looking into getting a new faucet for quite some time and just never followed through, so I was over the moon when a company reached out to me and offered to send me one to review. I have had this installed for about a week now, and I am thrilled with it. It comes with everything you need for easy installation. However, we do have an older home, so we found that we had to change out some pipes and install shutoff valves under our sink before we installed it. This cost me roughly $40 from Ace Hardware, but if you have a newer home, this shouldn't be an issue for you, but definitely something you want to check into before you change out your faucet. The function of this faucet is amazing. I love that it has a detachable head and that it has 2 spray settings. It has definitely made me more motivated to do the dishes when I have to instead of just putting them off. And if you want to check out this faucet, I will leave their link in the description box below. One of the things currently driving me nuts on my counters and making me go cuckoo bananas is this microwave and the air fryer and the way that it's set up. I definitely want more counter space, so I'm trying to figure out what I can do and where I can put these things that doesn't look like this and is just more functional. If you all have any ideas, let a girl know. I don't know about you all, but tables turn into catch-alls for me. I don't know why this is a thing. It has always been a thing. My dining room table is the place where everything goes to just go. I have to clean off my dining room table at least once a day or once every other day. Are any of you all like this as well? And do you all have that one chair in your house that holds clothes? Because I have that chair too. The room that gets untidied the quickest would have to be my living room because we are in it most frequently. We have a lot of blankets, there's a lot of cords. This is where we do most of our living, so it gets untidy quickly. However, it is one of the rooms that I can tidy up the quickest, which I thoroughly enjoy. Do you all have this issue that you turn around and what you just cleaned isn't clean anymore, and you almost don't want to live in a space because you spent all that time cleaning it and you don't want anything to get messed up? That's me.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun. But it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me.
Okay, y'all, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you found it motivational and you were able to clean along with me. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. Also, guys, do not forget to head over to Morgan's channel and check her out. I promise you, you will not regret it. I hope you all are having a beautifully blessed evening, morning, noon, night, no matter what time it is, wherever you are when you're watching this. I genuinely hope it's blessed, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, guys.
'Cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you?